Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Royalty, and welcome back. And as you guys can see from the title, this will be a book bag review. Let me just tell you something. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know where to start, but I did it. I got started. I know I wanted to do a book bag. I bought the book bag, I cut it up, and I made a book bag from scratch. Now, the reason why I like doing reviews is because sometimes you guys, I think, are a little bit too hard on yourself, and sometimes you guys just need a little boost or motivation to get started. So with that being said, I'm gonna go over the book bag, what pattern I use and how I got the pattern. So let me guys show you the book bag first. So unfortunately I lied. I want to show you guys the patterns first. So as you guys can see, this is the book bag strap pattern. It's your basic square. I just measured how wide it was once it's open. And then next, this is the book bag under bag pattern. I know what this is. This is underneath the bag, so you cut one, cut on fold. So as you guys can see, you guys need to mark your patterns, and you're also learning how to create your own patterns while you're doing so. Another piece is the book bag top pattern, and it says zipper line. So of course this will be the top of the book bag that you open to put your stuff in, and it says cut one, cut on fold. You need to cut it on fold because you need a whole top portion to open your book bag with. And what is this? This says straps, so I know where to place my straps. This can be a notch and this can be a notch, and it says straps, and it says book bag back pattern, cut on folds, back straps. This is where I know to insert the back straps, and I know where to insert this because I just copied off of a real book bag and I just marked it, so I know where to put the straps at when I'm creating the book bag. And this is the front. It says book bag front pattern, cut on fold, and zipper. It says zipper bag. So the reason why I have zipper bag is because this will be a separate part and this will be a zipper here. Or if I wanted to, this can be a zipper. I can do whatever I want. I have the option. As long as I have the shape, I know exactly what I need to do. So again, this will be the top portion of the bag. This will be the bottom portion where your kids can put their keys or their cell phone or their pencils. And again, I copied all of this from a regular book bag. I didn't add anything else. So I have my front pattern, I have the book bag back pattern, I have the top layer, which is where the zipper is, zipper part. You guys will see that in a couple of minutes when I show you guys the actual book bag. And this is the book bag under bag pattern, and this is for my straps. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys the actual book bag. Alright guys, so you know I've been using this pattern and this print for a long time. This is a big book bag. Either this is a big book bag or I'm just small. So this is my book bag. It looks big because I have stuffing in here so that it can be fuller, of course. But I'm gonna show you first the materials I use. So the materials I use for this book bag, I didn't buy this piece. I cut it up from an old bag that I had just laying around. And you know, this is the hook you can hook on the book bag with, right? And as you guys can see, the back portion is made with denim. Yes, so I made a book bag with denim fabric on the back. Don't let no one tell you what you can and cannot use for any of your projects, okay? I wanted to use denim for this bag, and I used denim for this bag, right? What else? On the side, you guys know I've been using this camo print for a long time. I've been using it with my hats. I've been using it with my puffer coat, if you see my video. And of course denim in the front. So I put the book bag on. Well, this is what the book bag looks like. It looks very wide. I think I'm just small. I'm 4'11", guys, remember. So this is the book bag. Let me put the whole book bag on. I feel so little with the book bag on. So from the front, this is denim, and I'm gonna go over how I did everything and what's inside after. If you guys can see, it's so cute.
I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Going to school. All right, guys.
Alright, so I use denim. I use this canvas fabric again on the inside. Let's open it. Where's the zipper? Where's the zipper? I can see the zipper. Okay, so on the inside, I use suede because you guys know when doing a book bag, it has to have a backing so you can put something in it So I use suede on the inside. Again, if you guys can check out the details on the side of the bag. I didn't know this was supposed to be here, but you know, I had an extra bag laying around. I looked at it, I said, oh snap, my bag needs this detail, so I added some detail. And then if we open it, like I said, side of this bag is denim. Ignore what's on the inside. I just have this here because I wanted to stuff it and make it bigger, like I said before. So again, this was my first attempt of doing a book bag. Now I'm an observer. I can look at something, go home, sketch it out, and find ways on how to create it. So how I got this bag was, let me tell you. So I went to Five Below and I got me a cheap little book bag for $3, right? And I said, okay, I want to make this bag. So I cut up the whole bag. I cut up the straps just like this. I cut up this part here and this part here, and I followed where all the lines was, right? And I just copied everything. I made my own patterns from a book bag. If you guys saw my previous video on how to create a bucket hat, I used that same method with the book bag. It's very simple. And it's very simple. You just follow the book bag, follow where the zipper was, follow each and every detail that's on the bag. As you guys can see, I have two different zippers. There's a brown one here, and that's okay. Make it your own. I have a brown zipper here because of the orange and the denim. It matches. And this one, it just works. Like, sorry, everything works. And this is how my book bag is. This is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. And underneath, this is how the straps look. See? It's very clean. They're inside the lining as well, and everything is inside, and everything. I gotta snaps. I gotta cut this. But other than that, it's pretty cool. How old do I look? Do I look 12? I look 14? Can I like pretend I'm going to school? Cute. Oh my god. But yeah, I had to do a review on this because it's very simple. So my homework for you guys is to go into a store, get a book bag, get a bucket hat, get a t-shirt, get some pants, get some pajamas, and buy the cheapest things that you want. Don't spend a lot of money. If you want to do this method, don't spend a lot of money. Spend like $3, $4, $5. Buy a dress or whatever you want to get, cut it up, and follow that shape. That would help you learn how to create your own patterns from nothing, and it will help you understand patterns. And you can also add seam allowance, take away seam allowance. Like my bucket hat, I could have added another inch. I could have took away an inch. I could have made the flap longer, made the flap shorter, and you know, it's just different things you gotta learn. But I want you guys, this is your homework, I want you guys to go out, get creative, buy something very inexpensive, and follow this method, the book bag method, which is buying a book bag, cutting it up, making your own patterns, and creating your own book bag, and just going back and forth to see, okay, there's a seam here, I'm going to do a seam here, there's a top stitch here, I'm going to do a top stitch here, and it will help you out a lot. And that will help you get comfortable at your sewing machine. It will help you get comfortable creating patterns, and it will also help you with being more confident in yourself in creating anything, I promise you guys. So I think I did pretty good. The only thing that I will change later on if I make another one is that don't have it so damn wide. Look at this. It's so wide. It's so wide. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm definitely rocking this. This can be unisex. It can be for a boy, it can be for a girl. The show next week, I'm gonna have my model hold it in their hand just like this. This is uncentered too. I made a mistake. If I hold it up straight, you see how the bag is like leaning a little bit? This should have been like an inch over. But other than that, it's pretty dope. I can hold it just like this. And here's the back side. And here's the front side. So, I love it. Love it, guys. This is so cute. So once again, I didn't want to do a long, boring video, but I had to do this book bag review. I want to tell you guys the materials that were used and basically just how to go about starting and sewing. So again, go to your local stores, buy the cheapest thing you can find, cut it up, make your own pattern, just follow it, add seam allowance, and start creating, guys, because again, look at me, this is my first time doing a book bag and I did pretty damn good. So if you like this book bag, give it a thumbs up. If you think it should have been smaller, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys leave your comments. If you guys like that I used 3 different fabrics, the denim, the orange, and the camo, this is so cute. And if you guys have any suggestions or any other book bags or any other store creative projects similar to this and my bucket hat, let me know in the comments and I will highly appreciate it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and again, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, because if you guys are serious about being fashion designers, you guys would do that, because I like to inspire and I like to teach on all social media platforms. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys know that I do everything and I snap everything. I'm a snap whore. I snap everything, fabrics, when I'm sewing, inspiration photos, and etc. So if you guys need help with that, just follow me on all social media outlets. And if you need more help, not just from me but from other designers, if you want to get inspired by other designers, and if you guys want to just get connected with other designers, make sure you guys add my sewing group. The link is below. Make sure you guys do that right now. And again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. Okay. So on that note, me and my book bag, we are done here. So hope you guys enjoyed my book bag, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.